Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can create your own AI images for free using Leonardo AI. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Leonardo AI is a very good and free alternative to Midjourney. Alright, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. To start working with Leonardo AI, you can sign in on its website with any Apple, Google, Microsoft account or with your email address. Once you signed in, you will be then redirected to the main homepage, where you get the featured AI models for image generation listed on top and the most recent images created by the Leonardo community. From the left, open personal feed to retrieve your own generated images and go to fine-tune models to get the complete list of AI algorithms you can use to make images, including fine-tuned models for specific styles made by the Leonardo team or even the community. You can also train any of your models on training and data sets. Leonardo AI offers many main tools. You can use AI image generation to build images from scratch through textual prompts. Real-time canvas to convert drawings into stunning artworks nearly instantaneously. Real-time generations to experience blazing fast, text-to-image generations that evolve as you type. Canvas editor to edit and manipulate photos and images, and texture generation to generate textures for 3D objects. Alright, let's start generating images. As you go to AI image generation, the workspace changes, showing the prompt line on top and several features to guide your creation on the left side. First of all, type what you want to generate in the prompt line and hit generate to create the images matching your idea. Each generation consumes some tokens that you can check on the top. You have 150 tokens daily. If you have a free plan, you may switch to a subscription plan to have more tokens and also unlock premium features. On the left, you get several options for your image generation. On image dimensions, set the size and aspect ratio for the generated image. Just pay attention that you may lose quality if you do not use the default settings for the chosen model. You can set the number of image variations per generation. Set it at 1 or 2 if you are just starting while consuming less tokens. With private images, you set whether your image is public or private only on paid plans. Public images on Leonardo AI can be used for free by you and everyone, so you may switch to private if you want to get an exclusive license over your generated images. In case you want to generate patterns or a group of a specific subject, make sure to enable tiling. Now let's see how to write a correct prompt. Define the main subject, the background, and the environment, and add details such as colors, vibe, mood, and anything that can describe your idea. You can also enable negative prompts to underline what you do not want in your generation. You can also click on the star button and get some random prompts to generate image. You can also improve the prompts with paid plans. Besides the prompt, the AI model is also important to generate your image since it sets the basic graphics style to use. For example, you may choose any of the models to make your image more realistic. Once prompt and model are set, you can also go to add elements to fine-tune the model style for an extra touch of customization. Select one or more of them and set the respective weight. Switch to image guidance to generate images. By starting from existing images, you have up to 4 if you own a paid plan. When you upload any image, make sure this is compatible with your prompt content for the best result. Now let's see how to edit your generated images. Click on one to preview it and use the buttons at the bottom to delete the image or download it in JPG format. You can also remove its background automatically. For deeper modifications, you may open the AI Canvas editor from the main dashboard. At first, this is completely vacant, so you may go to the upload image to browse for any image generated or even real photos from your computer. You can also work with multiple images overlapping on the canvas. Here, you can edit your image up to maximum level. AI Canvas offers you many options to optimize your image generated. You can enable text to click and type text on the canvas, adjusting color, font, family style, and size on top. It is outstanding what you can do when you edit images with the AI algorithms. Once you are done, you can save the entire content of your canvas by going to Download Artwork on the left, obtaining a PNG format which also saves any transparent or blank area. This is all you can do when using the AI Canvas, and then paint out paint mode. You can switch to image when you need to perform heavier corrections by always matching the original image, or to use sketch to image to brush on the image to apply manipulations on it. Very useful if you want specific shapes and colors to be used. So that's basically how you can create your own AI images for free using Leonardo AI. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.